Have you ever stopped to wonder why, even when you're doing everything right, life still feels heavy, stressful, or confusing? What if the reason isn't outside of you at all, but inside, within your own body and heart? Most people treat the body like a machine. Eat, work, sleep, repeat. But what if your body is actually a teacher and your heart is a guide? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear may change how you experience yourself and life itself. We've been taught to blame the body when something feels wrong. I'm tired. I'm weak. I'm broken. But the body is not the enemy. It is the interface between you and life. Every ache, every tension, every sense of restlessness is a message. Your body speaks constantly, but in a language most people never learn to hear. Like a GPS, it warns you when you're off course. Ignoring it doesn't make life easier. It only makes the signals louder. When you learn to listen, discomfort becomes guidance, and confusion turns into clarity. Breath is not just oxygen. Breath is information. Fast, shallow breathing tells your nervous system that something is wrong. Slow, deep breathing tells it that you are safe. Most people breathe unconsciously, but the moment you bring awareness to your breath, everything changes. The mind settles, anxiety softens, focus returns. Ancient traditions called breath the bridge between body, mind, and spirit. This isn't spiritual poetry. It's practical, immediate, transformative. The heart is not just a pump. It has rhythm, intelligence, memory. When we say, "I feel it in my heart," we are recognizing a deeper form of knowing. Stress tightens the chest, fear contracts it, peace and joy open it. Often your heart understands a situation before your mind can explain it. Logic analyzes, the heart senses. When you learn to listen to the heart, decisions feel lighter, clearer, more aligned. Your heart is a compass, and it rarely leads you astray. Life feels chaotic when our inner systems are misaligned. The body wants rhythm, the nervous system wants balance, the mind wants clarity. Modern life pulls us in too many directions at once. Noise, screens, pressure. But alignment doesn't come from adding more effort. It comes from removing interference. When you pause, breathe, and notice what you feel, you begin to return to yourself. Inner peace isn't created, it's uncovered. Here is a truth many people resist. Discomfort is not punishment. Fatigue, pain, restlessness are instructions. The body is asking for attention. We numb ourselves with distractions, hoping the message will disappear. But the body never lies. It always tells the truth about what needs care, what needs rest, what needs change. When you stop fighting discomfort and start listening, every challenge becomes a teacher. A full life requires integration. The body senses, the heart guides, the mind interprets. When one is ignored, life feels fragmented. When all three work together, decisions feel intuitive. Energy flows naturally. This isn't magic. It's biology, psychology, and ancient wisdom meeting modern awareness. Right now, pause for a moment. Notice your breath. Feel your heartbeat. Sense what your body is saying. Your body is not a machine. Your heart is not just a symbol. They are guides. Life will always bring challenges, but the guidance you've been searching for has been inside you all along.